Hello, window cleaner.
What is your name?
Paddington?
Paddington?
Yes. You're where there's a bear on your roof. The hunt begins.
Mysterious things have been happening all over town.
We're gonna need a foolproof plan.
Oh. Ow.
This is breaking and entering.
We haven't broken anything.
Hello? Who goes there? Reveal yourself. Henry?
Hello, Phoenix.
What on earth are you doing here?
I might ask you the same thing.
Well, I live here. It's my house.
And I insure it. And for our Platinum Club members, we perform an annual free home inspection to verify your security arrangements.
In your pajamas?
Mm-hmm.
With your wife?
That all seems pretty secure. Oh, hello, Phoenix.
Mary.
Didn't hear you come in.
She helps out when we're busy.
Now then, simmer down, simmer. All right, little bit more. I'm sorry, I'm at my worst tonight, I really am.
I am tickled, the deepest shade of shrimp, to have been asked here tonight to open this wonderful old steam fair.
But you know, when Madame Kozlova created this thing all those years ago,
She most certainly was not thinking of people like me. Whatever I am, VIP, celebrity, I hate all that stuff. No, West End legend, that's another one. No, she was thinking of you guys, huh? The ordinary people. So, I'm going to ask one of you to come up here and open the fair. Volunteers. Anyway. Eeny, meeny, miny.
Bear.
Excuse me? Mr. Knuckles?
Yes.
I just wondered if I could have a quick word about the food.
Send a medic to the canteen.
You want to complain?
Oh, no, I wouldn't say complain.
Oh, that's a shame, because I just love it when people complain.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Well, in that case, it's very gritty.
Oh.
And lumpy. And as for the bread, need I say more? I think we need to completely overhaul the menu. Now, I know we're working to a tight budget, but we could at least add some sauce. Oh, sorry about that. I'll just, No, that's just rubbing it in. Don't worry. I know what gets ketchup stains out. Hang on. Was it mustard? No. That's just made it worse. Does anyone know what works on ketchup? Chaps? Ah.
Guess what, Paddington? The steam fair's coming to town. I'm going along tonight to write about it in my newspaper.
Who's going to want to read about that?
Everyone.
They travel the world in an old steam train. I thought you'd love it.
I do. Don't tell anyone, okay? Not cool.
Why don't we all go?
Good idea.
Father's a dab hand at the coconut shy. Bullseye Brown, they used to call him.
Well, not anymore. Coconuts are a young man's game.
Well, I think you're in great shape for a man your age, Mr. Brown.
Ah, thank you, Paddington. Hang on, how old do you think I am?
Oh, about 80?
80?
At least.
Just a minute, young bear. Thought I told you to wash behind your ears.
Oh, but I did, Mrs. Bird. I wonder how that got in there.
Quick trim, barber.
Oh, I'm not the barber. I just tidy up.
Yeah, well, that's all I want. Tidy up the back and sides, nothing off the top.
Yes, but
No, but come on, man. Chop, chop.
if you say so, sir. Ah. Please, would you mind if I call you back? I think I may be about to shave a customer. Oh, thank goodness. Just putting you on hold!
But I don't want to.
It's only a haircut, Nelson. There's nothing to be afraid of.
Come in, take a seat.
We'll go somewhere else.
Oh, what's this?
Ah, that must be the popping book. Very interesting.
Really?
You see, Madame Koslover's great-grandmother, who started the fair, was also a brilliant artist. And every time they visited a new city, she made a popping book to remember it by.
Oh.
And this is London.
Oh, Mr. Gruber, it's wonderful. Aunt Lucy always dreamed of coming to London and never had the chance. But if she saw this, it would be like she were finally here. Aunt Lucy! Aunt Lucy!
Paddington!
Come with me, Aunt Lucy.
Oh, yes, please. I want to see everything.
Well, what do you think?
It's wonderful.
All aboard!
1.5 bears, please.
Mind your step, madam.
What a polite young man. What a polite young pigeon. Oh, Paddington, you've made an old bear so very happy.
This is perfect. Mr. Gruber! Oh, what's this?
This is London.
It's wonderful. Aunt Lucy always dreamed of coming to London. If she saw this, it would be like she were finally here. Aunt Lucy!
Oh, Paddington.
This is perfect. I've had a brilliant idea. I'm going to get a job and buy that book for Aunt Lucy's birthday. Hello? Window cleaner? Ow.
Are you quite sure you're ready for the workplace, Paddington?
It's Phoenix Buchanan, Dad's celebrity client.
suppose you know who I am.
Oh, yes. You're a very famous actor.
VIP, celebrity.
Or used to be. Now you do dog food commercials.
This pop-up book, where on earth did you find it?
Mr. Gruber's antique shop. Stop! Freeze!
Hold it right there.
But I'm not the thief.
Mysterious things have been happening all over town.
We're rich again.
I may look like a hardened criminal, but I'm innocent.
We're going to need a foolproof plan.
If anyone can recognize a criminal, it's us.
He's a master of disguise.
What?
This is breaking and entering. I haven't broken anything.
Where do you think you're going, Bear?
Paddington wouldn't hesitate if any of us needed help.
He looks for the good in all of us.
Marmalade?
Take a seat. Come on, Wolfie. Ow. Dear Aunt Lucy, you sent me to London to find a home. I have a wonderful family. I think you're in great shape for a man your age, Mr. Brown.
Ah, thank you, Paddington.
Hang on, how old do you think I am?
Oh, about 80? And I've really got to grips with how things work. Mr. Gruber!
Come in.
I'd like to get my Aunt Lucy a birthday present.
How about these rolling shoes?
Please, Mr. Gruber, be serious. What's this?
This popping book is the only one of its kind, and they want a lot of money for it.
I'm going to get a job and buy that book. Hello? Window cleaner? Ow. Stop! Thief!
Cheerio.
Where did he go?
Hold it right there.
Oh, but I'm not the thief.
We're rich again.
Brown, P, laundry duty.
It's only one red sock. What's the worst that can happen? Afternoon, chaps.
I want to hear all about the investigation.
Paddington is innocent. I'm going to prove it. He's a master of disguise.
What?
This is breaking and entering. We haven't broken anything.
Where do you think you're going, Bear?
Paddington looks for the good in all of us, and somehow he finds it.
If we're kind and polite, the world will be right.
Oh, dear.
Look! It's a cub. Lower me down. We've got a cub to raise.
What's he like?
He likes his marmalade. I have a feeling he'll go far.
Dear Aunt Lucy, life in London has been better than ever. I really feel at home.
If you had one wish tonight, what would it be?
I'd like to get my Aunt Lucy a birthday present. An old pop-up book of London. The only problem is it's rather expensive.
Where on earth did you find it?
At Mr. Gruber's antique shop. Stop! Thief!
Cheerio.
Hold it right there.
We're rich again.
Afternoon, chaps. I may look like a hardened criminal, but I really am innocent.
I'm going to prove it.
If you're gonna clear your name, you're gonna need our help.
Paddington's made such sweet friends.
I'm in.
What a clever little bear.
Come back with that book!
Paddington looks for the good in all of us, and somehow he finds it.
If we're kind and polite, the world will be right.
Paddington 2.
Oh, that's not good.
Rated PG.